Yes, good day everyone. Yeah, welcome to Global Gift TV. Yes, in today's video I'll be doing a preview on a new site. Is Ultrabot. It is Ultrabot, which people call AGT. Okay, if you're new to this channel, here is Global Gift TV, where I talk how to make money and how to maximize money. Talk about different type of opportunity and how to make money here online and offline. Okay, here in this video I'll be showing you a new way you can also make money for yourself using. Okay, the first thing to do in this platform is that you have to register your account. This is very simple. Okay, to register an account is very simple here. Okay, I will drop a link in the description so you can also register your account. Okay, let's wait for our browser to load finish. Okay, here is the first one. I'm going to put your username. Okay, you put your username of your choice. Second one, you put your phone number. Okay, the third one, you put your email, and the fourth one is the password. Okay, put your password, and the last one is the invitation code. Okay, I'll drop it in this description so that I can also use your account. Don't need to put in invitation code to it again. So after registering your account, you have to log in onto. Okay, here you see now you're welcome to Ultrabot. Okay, yes, in this platform, this is how you can make money. It is called Arbitrage Trash. Okay, it's Arbitrage Trash, where you buy coin in low price and sell that at price. But here you are not buying any coin. Okay, you're not buying any coin. Everything will be done for you. You're trading, and everything is going to help you to do everything in this platform. This is very simple. To deposit in this platform, you have to deposit to start earning from this platform. Okay, it's not a free platform. See, deposit address, and you set up your password, your payment password. Okay, and make sure you don't forget your real password. Don't make sure your real password is. You put your withdrawal address here. Okay, put it there. After putting it there, you go back to your dashboard. Back to your dashboard there. Okay, in this platform, okay, you deposit. You just have to check the trading bots of this platform. Okay, and you see trade bots. I already told you that this platform use trading bots which use Binance Pool to trade for you. Okay, is the first one, which is Ultrabot, the one on v2.5, v2.1, which gives you 1.82 3.8% every day, and the minimum is 10 USDT, and which trades for you for 24 hours. Okay, trade for you for 24 hours. The second one, which is Ultrabot v.0, it gives you 2.3 to 2.3%. This one is going to be locked. The minimum deposit is 20 USDT, which will be locked for 15 days. The last one, which is Ultrabot v7, okay, it gives you 4.4 to 5%. The minimum to deposit there is 50 USDT. Okay, 50 USDT, and it's going to be locked up for 60 days. But for me, you can go for any one of this plan. Okay, for any of this plan, and it's a compounding site which you don't have to do anything, guys. You don't have to do anything. But between this, you don't have to do anything. Maybe you come in to check the bot. No, you can come to check the bot to see how the bot is trading for you. Okay, the next thing is after checking the bot and have seen which you want to deposit, go back, click on this deposit. Put the amount you want to deposit there. Okay, let's say you are going for the second one. Let's say you want to deposit 100 USDT. You put this USDT there. Here is saying that you should pay amount of 99 USDT 0.85. What I'm going to do is that you just copy your address and add an extra fee of $2. Okay, extra fee of $2, so that you go to any of your cryptocurrency to make the payments to this account. Copy it and make the deposit. That click on this. I have make payment. Okay, I have paid. Okay, click on this. After clicking on this, it will be successful. Okay, because I have to follow the simple step I've given you to make the payment. After it has shown on your dashboard, but now I'm not depositing, just to show you how the platform works. Come back here to choose your ultra board that you want to invest in. Okay, let's say you are going for the one of 15 days. Okay, which is the minimum is $20, and it's going to show in your balance. That you just have to click on 100. That you just click on subscribe. This is how to buy the subscription of the bot. That the next thing is that if your bots have trade for you, you click on this bot. Okay, here you see trade bot. Let's say the bot have exceed the maximum time given. Okay, let's say the 15 days have completed. You also have to come here where you see close. Okay, or you can see it active sometimes. What I'm going to do is that check this active. You see there, you also have to click on move to wallet, and the withdrawal time, it is Indian time. Okay, it is Indian time which you can withdraw. It's not the time you can move it to your wallet and you can withdraw immediately, and be sent to your address you put on your dashboard. Okay, that means okay for which is 10 p.m. which is 10 p.m. sorry, Indian time is 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. which you can move it to your dashboard. Okay, and for Nigeria time it is 5:30 to 6:30 is going to end. Make sure you are very fast so that you can withdraw. But if you want to continue with the platform, just have to buy another bot to start from it. Okay, to withdraw is very simple. You just have to come here, put the amount you want to withdraw, and you're going to show you the balance you have here, and you submit it. You need to pay into your account the less than 5 minutes that will be sent to your account. The next thing is that also promote your referral link. Okay, and you'll be getting 5% from it. Okay, share your referral links to your friends and loved ones so that you can also get their bonuses. Okay, now you have subscribed to it, you can just come here to also join the Telegram group here. Okay, join the Telegram group here. For any support, you can just come here, click on this support here, and you can chat with the customer care to talk about any complaint you have about the platform. Okay, feel free to join this platform. It is paying. You can also make money from it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.